tiring. It's a lot more work than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, he was really strong.
Yeah.
Surprisingly strong.
After getting 2 fish in a row, we repositioned the boat, sent our bait out, and we're back into the waiting game. Besides getting a few pike needle bites, all the rods remained still most of the time. After waiting for more than 30 minutes, there finally was a sign of life again. Our sturgeons were back.
Hey, what's up?
Maybe put the bill down? What's the bill?
You don't want to do it?
Oh, came off.
Oh,
Sorry, there we go.
that was too easy.
Yeah.
People are very hesitant.
Like I used to do that.
That was a big one.
Like there's
You fish up front, Connie? Do it, Derek, if you did.
Yeah, it wasn't as big as the last one.
What? The one that got away.
Yeah, always the biggest one.
Yeah, that take wasn't just very soft.
Yeah.
Take. It wasn't like the other ones.
Because otherwise you could just, you lose.
You getting anything over here?
Sorry?
Yeah, we're getting any. Oh, that was a sturgeon.
Wow, that was the two. Oh, it's in the net.
Two. Set it.
Okay, Rebecca. There you go.
Me? No, go ahead.
It's not that big.
It's not that big.
You wanna get
It's going underneath.
I don't know.
Maybe someone take that rod there and do it?
Good jump.
I think the both of you. You better go underneath.
Here you go.
You want to grab it?
No, I'm good.
Give it a go.
Hold on to this one.
No?
Don't swim it.
Nobody wants fat fish?
Fishing trip, eh?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
what
Okay, fine.
it's not that.
So slowly lift it up and reel down. No? Doesn't work?
For me?
Takes a bit of practice.
Yeah.
So up.
You gotta go a bit higher.
That?
Yep. Go higher.
And then go down while you reel.
How you doing?
Okay.
See, harder than it looks, eh? There you go. Now you're doing it.
I want to
I think it's actually coming in slowly.
Yeah,
So
reel.
yeah, you gotta keep that rope in the whole time.
It's really tugging.
It's heavy, isn't it?
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Oh, nice. How you doing?
Yay, this is going on the internet. It's really tugging. Just let it go.
Yeah, nothing you can do except hold on.
The leg's shaking.
Yeah, you can rest it there if you want.
Oh, my arm is so
Going
dead.
across here.
Wow, it's fighting.
Oh, there it is.
There we go. Get rid of more, so just, bring it on the side. Okay.
Nice job.
Good one. Bigger. Can you twit pick this one? I did one with you for power.
Okay. Ready? There it goes.
Tell your friends.
Right on. Congratulations.
Thanks.
How's your arm? Is it sore?
Huh?
Your arm sore?
Yeah, my arm's a little sore.
After landing our second fish of our half-day fishing trip, we had less than 1 hour left. It was time to make a quick move to another hotspot. Luck was definitely on our side because another sturgeon fell for the rollback almost immediately.
Yep.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh wow.
Stay
There you
on
go.
it. Get tension on it.
We'll get that fighting bill.
Yeah, just keep that rod pin.
He's never gonna get it in if it keeps going like this. Stop fighting.
Someone pull that bagging, that rope. Yeah.
Oh my god. It's gonna take a while. So now you lift the rod, pull the rod up, and then while you reel, go down. Pull it all the way up. Oh my god! Now we're going to wash it down.
Now you just reel. Yeah. Oh, watch it, look, it's going underneath. Going underneath.
It's caught, I think. Is it off?
One day. Lost the snags.
Oh well.
You have to feel it.
Pardon me?
You have to feel it.
Yeah. Spectacularly?
Oh, I just had to snap it off and the hook straightened out instead of the line breaking because it was, the fish went around the log and then the hook got stuck in the log.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Although our Harrison River sturgeon fishing trip was only 4 hours long, it was definitely action-packed. This trip showed us what supernatural British Columbia has to offer. It brought us wildlife shots that we often see in magazines. We tested our strength on one of the largest freshwater fish species on this planet, and the best of all was that we walked away with photographs of fish of a lifetime.